Hello everyone and welcome to my new video presentation on Bitcoin cryptocurrency, which is going to be pretty exciting due to the fact that today we're 22nd of September 2023, looking for discussing about the most important things of the market. If BTC stands bearish, then the whole space is suffering. If BTC stands bullish, then obviously the whole space is having a good time. Therefore, we'd like to touch bases with the most important details and share with you what is behind the doors. Now make sure to check out our main YouTube channel where we have live trading, bot trading, and all sorts of videos that could be helpful for your trading journey. Along the way with our AI bot trading participation possibility. If you want to join us, this is only for my friends and close community. No prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made, which are paid by you every 7 days, and we trade completely outsourced through API trading permission. I'm going to talk about that a little later on. Now, what's happening, folks, in the market? Well, the global market cap has decreased once again. It's 0.42% for the past day. The fear and greed index is sitting into the category of fear, which is pointed at 39, and that's obviously no surprise considering the current context of the market. No surprise at all. Now, if you look at the past 7 days, you are clearly understanding the fact that this is a very, very aggressive accumulation time. The accumulation times can be discovered by seeing the on-chain movements, where you see that the BTC holders, the whales, are continuously accumulating. Meanwhile, the smaller fishes are dumping, believing that BTC might get over, BTC could get to zero, BTC could be stopped, and all sorts of things that are more likely closer to a conspirational theory than the reality as of now. So what's going on in the charts? Well, it's quite simple basically. We have a situation here that is confirming on yesterday's price analysis that this price action is rejecting for the moment, and we have confirmed into that. The Andean oscillator broke below the bearish power, which means the bulls lost the control for the moment, and the market is about to be totally controlled by the bears as soon as the red line is crossing the orange line we have over there, which can easily happen within the next 48 to 72 hours. It needs a little time out there in order to accomplish that if the market becomes continuously bearish from this point. Now, we have been able to see the fact that the bears are sort of a way getting into the domination by seeing how the bulls are losing their force and power. And this can be discovered into the CRSI indicator in the way it's portraying along the way with the price action on the candlesticks. Candlesticks are one of the most accurate way to understand the language of the market. It's simple. You need to uncrypt a language which is quite crypted at the end of the day through multiple indicators and portray a conjunction in a direction where the market is going. We're actually talking about the fixed range volume profile, which is something you can see right there. And this is basically where the red line is portraying the fixed range volume profile. This is an indication usually for the bots where they are having a reaction. Now, that means if we are coming downwards, this is a place where we could expect a reaction. If the reaction is not happening and it's a miss of the reaction appearing over there, then it is a signal delivered to the traders that lack of reaction from the bulls in order to bounce back in the market, even though we can get a minor bounce just like that, is representing a heavy domination, a heavy failure, and the markets can easily continue to retouch the base level. At a time you fall under your volume line, it is, quite bearish. So it is a total domination by the bears with a fixed indication of at least 85% probability. So this is what's going to confirm it, guys, at the end of the day. Now, besides that, what do we expect right now? Simply said, market needs to retest this liquidity over there. I mean, that liquidity will be retested sooner or later, and there is a lot of the volume behind that as well, which is awaiting us. So we're actually looking at the market, which has been rejected quite heavily at a place we have expected. We have been set in our past videos, we have been mentioning, and we have been predicting it. Now, continuing with that, we clearly see the possibility of continuation downwards. The first question is, which are the levels where we could expect a bounce and then a reconfirmation of that? Because it's always and always happening like that. You don't want to get into the V shape because that's not happening, guys. You want to get into the retest of a V shape, right? The V shape appears over there, and then you're retesting it here, and this is where you buy. Retests are the patterns that we trade, guys, not the direct movements, because those lack confidence, substance, and meaningfulness. That's it for today, guys. On the BTC, we are actually covering Bitcoin every single day, and we're looking for having a good time with this. At the same time, make sure to check out our AI bot trading if you think this is something interesting for you. We perform for ourselves and for our close community and friends. The weekly performance is here on the left side, and then on the right side how you can join. No fancy sales page or any kind of a copywriting or stuff like that, because it's not needed. It's raw data, raw information, straight away, straight in front of you, the most efficient way. No commission to join, no upfront fee to join, only commission from pure profits made. Very simple. Check that out. At the same time, if you believe in education, if you think by improving your skills can improve your trading performance, and if you'd like to be my one-on-one student where I'm taking you by hand and teaching you how to trade, check out our website as well. Register now for more informations and jump on a free call with me. By the way, this is the way to start a business in the proper way. You cannot be a trader without having the knowledge of a trader. You cannot be profitable on the long run if you are not a trader. Things are getting themselves connected. Make sure to check out all the links in the description area and comments area. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you soon.